Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? Addition of decimals. Now, the first thing to do when you have decimals, when you are adding decimals, uh, look at the decimal point. This is 23.5. So for the first one, 23.5. There's only one rule when you are adding. Make sure that the points align for each of the digits or numbers. So this is 23.5. This is 9.34. So I'll put my point here. Then after the decimal point in this digit, you have 3 and you have 4 here. Now, and the last one you have, you put your 9 here. Then the last one you have 0.25. You put your point here and you put your 2 and you put your 5. You have your 0, of course. So you can put 0 here for convenience sake. Now the next thing we'll do, let's add 0 plus 4 plus 5. That's 9. We are done with this first column. We'll move to this place. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, that's 10. We'll put our 0 and carry the 1. Then of course, look at our decimal point. You put your decimal point here. Now the next thing to do, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3, that's 13. So we'll put our 3, carry the 1 there, or bring it forward. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. So the sum also means addition. So the sum of these 23.5, 9.34, and 0.25 is 33.09. Let's look at the second question. It says Funmilayo spent 94.05 euros to buy tomatoes, 199.89 euros to buy beans, and 9.58 euros to buy vegetables. How much did she spend altogether? For you to know how much she spent altogether, you add all her expenses. So the first one, we're told she used 94.05. So we align the decimal points. Look at the next one. She used 199. You can start from the biggest number. It doesn't matter. So this is point. You have our 9 here. You have our 9 here and 1. 199. 199.89. And the last one, we have 9.58. 9.58. So you can put your 0 for convenience. Doesn't matter. So let's see how much you spent all together. So from here, let's start with the first column. We have 17 here plus 5, that's 22. So you put your 2, you carry another 2 here. So 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. You put your 5, you carry your 1. 9 plus 9, that's 18. 18 plus 4, that's 22. Plus 1, that's 23. Of course, you put your decimal point. You put your 3, carry your 2. 9 plus 9, that's 18. Plus 2, that's 20. You put your 0, carry your 2. 2 plus 1, that's 3. So she spent, you can conclude since it's a word problem, she spent 303.52 euros. So that's the amount she spent altogether. All right, let's look at those further examples. The first one, find the sum of 24 pounds 90 pence, 10 pounds 59 pence, 125 pounds 55 pence. Okay, so the first one, let's start with the bigger number, 125.55, then followed by 24.90. The rule is to make sure the decimal points align. And the last one, you have £10. Okay, so let's add them together. So from here, 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. So put our 4, carry our 1. 9 plus 1, that's 10. 5 plus 5, that's 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. You put your 0, put your decimal points, carry 2. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 2, that's 11. You put your 1, carry your 1. Bring your 1 forward. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 2, that's 5. 5 plus 1, that's 6. Then you have our 1 here. So that's £161, 4 pence. So that is the answer to this. All right, let's look at the second one. Agnes weighs 60.5 kg. So put 60.5. Second one, 60.5 kg. Andrew weighs 56 point. Okay, let's put, because that's 55. And Yusuf weighs 25.65. So put our 0 here for convenience sake. You can put our kg. Now we are asked to find their total weight. Now the first thing we know, align the decimal points. We have done that. Now let's do the column addition. 5 plus 5, of course this is kg. 5 plus 5 is 10, so you put your 0, carry your 1. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 1, 7, that's 17. 10 plus 7, 17. You put your 7, carry your 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 1, 12. So you put your 2, carry your 1. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 1, 12. 12 plus 2, that's 14. So all of them together, they weigh 142.70 kilogram. All right, let's look at the third one. Increase 1352.70 by the sum of 8923 and 398.9. So let's go. We asked to increase this number by the sum. So let's add this together first. So that's 897.23 plus this 398.9. 398.9. So you put 0 here for convenience sake. So we have that 3 plus 0, that's 3. 9 plus 2, that's 11. You put your 1, put your decimal points, carry your 1. 1 plus 7, that's 8. 8 plus 8, that's 16. You put your 6, you carry your 1. 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 1, 19. You carry your 1. Write down 9, carry your 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So this is the summation of the two. That's 1296.13. Now we asked to increase this. So we are going to add this sum to this. That's the meaning of increase. So I can just say 1352.70 plus 1296.13. That's the increase. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Write down our 3. 7 plus 1, that's 8. You put down your 8. You put your decimal point. 2 plus 6, that's 8. 9 plus 5, that's 14. You put your 4, carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the final answer, 2648.83. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We looked at addition of decimals, and we established the fact that to add decimals, you have to align the decimal points before you carry out the addition. All right, just before we go, just like in our usual style, here's some list of take-home fun. The first one says find the value of 0.96 plus 4.5 plus 23.9 The B part says 76.83 plus 902.01 plus 33.5. And the second one says Okoro spent $35 to buy television, 255.70 dollars to buy radio, and $500.55 to buy a DVD player. How much did they spend altogether? And the third one, three boys have the following height: 1.67 meter, 1.7 meter, 72 meters, and 1.69 meters. What is their combined height? I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a thumb up, give us a like, share the video, tell your friends about the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. And if you are here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.